morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping out of here.
Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. And if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. In today's video, tag along as I clean up the bathroom. I started off by soaking the toilet with Harpic plus Jik and also some detergent plus Jik on the floor.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun.
By now I had finished cleaning this stand and the toilet, and guys, the brush I'm using is from Miadak. It really comes in handy. It was just 100 bob, but it really helps a lot because it gets to places where, you know, the big brush can't. So yeah, so over here I was just showing you guys that the dirt on the sink is from this thingy. It's not stainless steel, so it's not worth your money.
We must merely make a start, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah.
All done. The bathroom is all cleaned up. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.
Savannah.